Hi, this is Frank from the 1,000 Miles Challenge Group, and I want to welcome you to the Facebook group. Now, the idea of this challenge comes from the notion that walking is the easiest way to get in shape and stay in shape. Now, by having a goal of walking 1,000 miles in the next 12 months, we hope the group will assist you in developing a consistent routine in preparing to get out and walk. Develop good nutritional habits, develop a good fitness routine, introduce new ideas to make the walks fun adventures, and assist you in enjoying the walking lifestyle. Now, goals allow you to enjoy or to control the direction of change in your favor. Your 12 months start the first day you want to begin the challenge. It could be any time of the year. Just put one foot in front of the other and begin. Now, setting a goal to complete 1,000 miles in the next 12 months will compel you to take a look at what you're currently doing in regards to your health and fitness. And if it's working, share it with others. If it's not working, let the group help you in overcoming the challenges. We want this group to be informative, to be challenging, to be fun, and to be a safe place where you can share your highs and your lows with like-minded people that'll celebrate your achievements and to help you overcome tough times. The famous TV show Cheers was a place where everybody knows your name. So let's create our version of Cheers right here on Facebook with the 1,000 Mile Challenge Group. This is Frank. Walk on.